Happy Saturday, everyone. I'd like to show you what $450,000 can get you in Palm Harbor in a nice residential community. So first off, let me show you this beautiful home. It is a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath, lovely townhome in this nice community, quiet streets. First off, you're going to walk in through a nice entryway. I forget the actual term of art for this, but you have a nice corridor. All the bedrooms are upstairs. In here you have your 1.5 car garage. I'll show you the bedrooms in a moment. Nice living room, den. Here you can gather. Here you can watch TV, enjoy the waterfront. It's a nice pond. It's a step down, so when you come in here, you're gonna see, you come down a few steps into this nice den. They've staged it with a TV, with a nice picture, but we would obviously put a TV there. This is your patio that leads to a wonderful waterfront. Let me show you through the blinds. Very quiet, very nice home. Nice neighborhood. Let's get into the kitchen. Nice open galley style kitchen. Here you can enjoy breakfast, lunch, and dinner with the fam. And obviously outdoor, out in the living room for your guests. Let's go up. First half bath on the ground floor. I think they call it a vanity in fancy places. Garage over here. Up the stairwell, nice lighting. And let's see the first bedroom to our left. Nice size, can fit easily a queen or king size bed. Desk, nice closet. Let's go into the second bedroom. Slightly larger. Same size closet, but definitely morning sun available in this option. These two bedrooms share this bathroom. Nice, not much to note. Well designed, recently renovated. Here you have the towel closet, and here is the primary bedroom. His and her closets. That will save a lot of arguments. Beautiful view above the den living room area, so you can see the same unobstructed views. Your own patio connected to the bathroom. Let's open this, unlock. I hope you can hear the quiet and the peace. This is definitely an area where you can just relax. This is Saturday morning on Memorial Day and it's quiet. You can also see in the corner some benches so you can enjoy the view of the pond. Let's look at the ensuite. His and her sections. Nice storage. Nice sized bathroom. And I love how there's a door here, because a lot of times you'll see in luxury or near luxury settings, you'll have the glass enclosure halfway. So you do always have to have a towel and etc. So this is very comfortable, very much for, living in here, not just, pretending to as a secondary home. This is meant to be lived in. It's beautiful. So yes, this is a lovely 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home here in Palm Harbor, listed currently for $450,000. And if it's of interest to you, please give me a call, 727-303-1521, or shoot me a DM at CD Selling St. Pete. I'd love to go over some of the options and talk to you more about homes in this area. Thank you.